When you're buying a spectrophotometer, are you looking for a single purpose instrument, that does one thing really, really well? Or would you like to invest in an instrument that perhaps does two or three, four different measurements very well? I think that there's always going to be times when a single application instrument is perfect, but there's also times when you put a lot of money into an instrument that has a lot of potential. And for whatever reason, instrument manufacturers have locked everything in so tightly that you're not free to move the detector from one orientation to another, or to add an actinic source, or to change the sample holder, or to process the data in a different way that allows you to extract, for instance, linearly polarized light in a measurement where you are ostensibly measuring circularly polarized light. If you're interested in making an investment that's the best for your laboratory, again, single application, we can do that, or something that's really open up to expansion that you might need to do today, or that you might want to be doing 2 or 3 years down the road after someone else joins the group or the research takes a particular turn. Yeah, let's talk about that.